Hey y'all, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Let's see what we can harvest today. The more you harvest, the more you get. Got my little basket here and my snips. I'm going to see if there's any jalapenos. It's the end of July, so I've gotten most of my tomato harvest. So now I only have to worry about, right now, only worry about peppers. And they'll last the rest of the season. And as I said before in another video, peppers are perennials. You take care of them, prune them at the end of the season, put them in like in your greenhouse when it gets like really cold, and then they'll grow again next year. I like my peppers this size. They're sweet. I had a big jalapeno yesterday, so maybe hubby may have gotten it. This is what I have so far. Let's see. 4 red. These are such a beautiful red. 4 red, 2 green. Let me see. Let's see what's going on with the pumpkins. pumpkins here, they're turning orange. When they turn the pumpkin orange and the little stem here is black, then they're ready to harvest, but it's still green. This one is getting there, but the stem is still green. But yeah, I use those for decorations. So guys, it's very important to understand your zone or your microclimate. I know that there's certain things I just going to need to harvest. You know, you don't have to wait for, I know I can't wait for things to get extra huge because the pest pressure around here is just so great. But if I can grow smaller varieties and with good quality, that's what I go for. Because if I wait too long, you know, it's going to be a disaster. So I'm able to get a nice harvest, good quality produce, smaller versions, and so that I don't have, and I'm putting them up high off the ground, so I don't have to use pesticides. You know, if something's going on, I could spray my garlic powder, my garlic water, because most pests hate garlic, so you know, so I can keep any spraying of chemical fertilizers to a minimum. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more round. I had my heart set on that big old jalapeno. It's gone. So that's just understand your area. Oh, it was down there. It was just hiding. I'll go in and take this one. That's pretty good. That's what I like. I like peppers. Love peppers. Peppers are so good in vitamins, and for those of us that are, you know, watching your blood sugar and your blood pressure, you're trying to manage all of that. Peppers are so good nutritionally for the management of those type of health issues. Okay, I'm gonna go through one more time. to really look the way I have it set up. Let me show you that one. That one's a nice size. See, peppers are non-starchy. So, you know, when you're watching blood sugar, you need non-starchy vegetables, and it's high in vitamin C, like an orange. So they're good, you know. You can eat them raw, you can stuff them, make some stuffed peppers, saute them, put them in chili, make your own. There's so many things you can do. So I'll be doing videos on, you know, things I do with my pepper harvest, okay? It's early in the morning, so I'm gonna do it now. I'm just taking my time, looking through everything, because I might come back out later on, but this is all I'm going to do. Then prune off any leaves, any like damaged leaves. Okay, I apologize, hubby. I thought hubby took my big jalapeno, but it was hiding in there. See, I was blaming my hubby, but I didn't see him eat it. I didn't see, you know, he didn't cook anything with peppers or anything, so I just knew I saw it, you know, and I was like the only person that was out here. But I apologize, hubby. You didn't take it. All right, guys, so this is what we got today. What do we have? 4 green bell peppers, 4 red bell peppers, and fat jalapeno. Perfect size for me in this area. Okay, guys, thank you so much. So if you got some inspiration, I appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content, hit the thumbs up. And if you're new and if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. Okay, see you in my next video, guys. Bye. Bye, Mom.